This is, of course, a torchlight procession. So please, if you see a discarded torch,
pick it up.
Let the collectors pick it up as they are trained.
Pick it up, isn't it? Isn't it? Pick it up.
Here comes the collecting sheet, children. Get your pennies ready. If you give a penny to that collection, that penny is going on to the charities I've named. Ladies and gentlemen of Burgess,
how many pennies is Mr. Stephen Denver going to be donating?
Hey! I've got some banknotes.
Just coming round the corner there. The heading of a spectacular parade
here's a bed
of Sussex Bonfire at its very best.
Let's have a look inside the cupboard.
Put on for you tonight by the members of the Burgess Bonfire Society. Through the Fairfield and enjoy the spectacular fireworks.
Good old bagpipes.
We will ask you, however, to dig deep and play attention to the charity collection.
Hello. You alright? The Burgess Operatic Society. It's a witchy woo! Witchy woo!
Ethan, you'll accept anything. Anybody into recycling?
Yes, I like recycling. Yes,
I'm from the Green Party.
Recycling old people. Are you going to fly tonight? Stephen's him, the crazy devil man. This one here. Oh, the nasty man. Nasty.
Yes, it's true!
No.
No!
It's like a funeral parade, isn't it, Steve? A bit of it. A bit. Look, it's some sexy girls, as you would call them. Oh! We're lucky, aren't we? Hello!
They usually are along the road.
Oh, it's some weirdly dressed people. A classic Burgess Hill Bonfire Society talk. I wonder how many years it's been running for now. Woo. Oi, Captain. Shirley Bonfire Society. Lewis. So nothing bad, filming. Hello. Oh, it's salt. Oh look, let's see, there's some nights. No it. Sleep, so it. Oh, Stephen, only Stephen never could say that. Cool, same clown that going. It's a clip. Upfield. Cool. That's it. Oh, I just say. Good old Sussex boy to say. Making a love with. Going up to win the cup. Sussex boy to say. Oh, it's an ambulance. Is it St John's?
No, it's just an ambulance.
A standard one. Oh, I've got the professional ambulance doing. Oh, it's the way across, yeah. Voluntary.
I think.
Oh.
We might see people we know.
Everywhere.
Come on then. Who knows?